God is a just and holy God. He is a loving God. So, if God says it is good, He cannot turn away from it. Then that is good. If God says this is sin, then it is sin. Doesn't matter what you feel, doesn't matter what the politician says, doesn't matter what the pastor says. That is what God says. So if God says what is good matters, and what is bad is evil, He cannot turn on that. Hello? So let's say God says you have to stop at a stop street. If you don't stop at that stop street, the Lord cannot partake in your life. The Lord has to correct you. Hello? It's not like this world that we can just have grace and just, there's no speed cop, let's just go. I'm also guilty. I'm not preaching to you and I'm not guilty. But what the Lord says is right and true. He has to be true to it.